Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first thing is obviously moisturize and prime your face, girla. Second step is we already did our eyebrows. And the third is make sure you prime your eyelids with a concealer. Now I have these green clover stickers that I got from Michael's craft store. I'm gonna be applying a little bit more adhesive so that way the sticker does not move when you are applying the other shadows. So I am going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and we're going to start off with this yellow right there. You could honestly probably skip this step because I think towards the end of the final look you probably don't even see the yellow, but it's up to you. Now I'm going in with this darker forest green here. Now the point here is that you want to make sure that you are completely covering over the little clover sticker that we have there, and then gradually add pigmentation to it. Now I'm grabbing my concealer with a flat brush, and we're just going to create that cut crease. I kind of go back in with the green. Make sure that color is popping out. Now I'm going to use this beige cream color and kind of just to set the cut crease area. Alright, now we are going to be grabbing this bright neon green and applying it right below the crease line. And we're going to be applying some mascara because we will be putting false lashes. So there's one eye and now there's both eyes. And I'm just using a concealer stick to kind of clean out the edges a little bit for any fallouts. Alright, so I got my black liquid liner and I'm going to be creating a wing. And going to be applying my foundation. Now I grabbed my gold glitter liner and I'm going to be creating a line following right on top of the wing that I just created. And that's a closer look of the wing. Now I'm going to be applying my falsies. And I'm going to be using this yellow highlighter to really give that gold effect on my inner corners. Now finally I get to take off the sticker and you have this like clover image. Now if you are a little bit more artistic than I am, you can probably just draw it if you can, but yeah, I don't have that patience. Now I'm actually going back in with that dark green and kind of smoking out the bottom line, my bottom lash. And then I'm gonna use this like cream champagne liner to fill in my waterline to really make my eyes appear bigger. Now I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Honestly, I barely have any, so you can barely see, but now, I don't know, I thought I was gonna add a little bit more gold effect to the inner corners and use that same gold glitter liner that I used earlier. And then for my lips, I'm lining my lips first, of course. And then I'm applying this matte lipstick from LA Girl. And that is pretty much the eyeshadow look that I have. Now you can totally leave it like this, but after I did this, I figured I'd be a little bit more challenging myself. I did change my shirt. So basically I'm using this pointy bullet brush and using the different colors from the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm kind of creating this like rainbow effect. This was a little bit difficult just because I felt like I couldn't really keep the colors straight. But now I'm creating, like, you know, the pot of gold. Again, using the black eyeshadow. You could probably use like a pencil or a eyeliner, but I just stuck with the eyeshadow. And then for the gold, I thought I'd like maybe try putting the gold glitter liner to kind of make it look like there's gold in there. But then I was like, you know what? Let me actually put some face jewels to really make the gold stand out, you know? This is honestly my first time like actually drawing on my face. So I was kind of really geeking myself up. And I kind of changed my hair. And that's pretty much the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was easy for you to follow, and or just gave you ideas for you to create your own. Bye.